Hello guys, this is Sunny Kumar from Mathematics and Computing, IIT BHU, and today I will be discussing the first question of January Circuits 2021 held in HackerEarth chessboard. And in this question, there are two players, the first and the second, and the players' move are similar to that of King's move, and the size of chessboard is 8 into 8, and the first king coordinates has x1 y1 and x2 y2, as you can see here. There are certain rules that the players are going to follow to win the game. The If the second king coordinates is exactly equal to the first king coordinates, the second king will win, and the players are playing the game optimally. That means that the first king, if the first move is that of first king, the first king wants to make the match win for himself or make the match draw. And if also the question says that starting from the first piece, so the first move is going to be done by the first king, and if the game is considered to be won by the first king if after it moves, then it can have the same coordinates as that of second. Now let us understand this question mathematically. If the first king will win, we have to print first, or if the first king will make the match draw, we have to print draw, or if the first king will lose, we have to print second in this case, and followed by the new line. Now let us understand this question with some images. Okay, we have a chessboard of size 8 into 8 here. Now suppose the first king coordinates is exactly what is this coordinate? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. It's exactly something like 4 comma 5. Now if the second king coordinate surrounds the first king coordinates, that is, if the second king coordinates has this one or 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 this one, this one. So if the second king coordinates surrounds the first king coordinates such that absolute value of difference of x coordinates is less than equal to 1, and absolute value of y coordinates of this both of the kings is also less than equal to 1. This condition tells us that the second king coordinate is going to surround the first king coordinates. So in one move, starting now, we can notice here that the first king is going to start the match. So if the second king is exactly the neighbor of the first king, and here the neighbor means the first king coordinates and the second king coordinates is sharing either a point or a side. So you can see the first king coordinates is 4 comma 5, here mouse cursor is showing, and if the second king coordinate is sharing either a side like 4 blacks here or a point here diagonally, if the second king coordinates is exactly a neighbor of the first king coordinates, then in one move you can see that the first king can capture the second king, and if this condition goes to false, this means the second king coordinates is not among the neighbors. You can see that suppose the second king coordinates is here. So if the first king goes close to the second king will always capture the first king. So if the game is being played optimally, so the first king will always want to make the match win for himself or make the match draw. So we have arrived to a conclusion that let us move to a more safer side. Suppose x1 and y1 is the coordinate of the first king and x2 and y2 is the coordinate of the second king. If both the coordinates are same, according to the rules of the game, the second king will win. And if absolute value of x1 minus x2 or y1 minus y2 is greater than 1, you can see suppose the first king coordinates is 4 comma 5 and the second king coordinate is either here. You can see that in first move the first king, if the first king wants to win, he will go closer to the second king, and if he goes closer to the second king, the second king will capture him, so the second king will win. And if the game is being played optimally, the first king will never want to lose. So if the first king never want to lose, the first king wants to make the match win for himself or to make the match draw. So if the second king coordinates is absolute value of x coordinates of the both the kings, difference between the x coordinates absolute value or y coordinates absolute value is greater than 1, the match is going to be draw because the first king will never want to lose. So we arrived at conclusion. Absolute value of greater than 1 or greater than 1 and absolute value of y1 minus y2 is also greater than 1, then the match is going to be draw. And if the second king is exactly the second king coordinates is the neighbor of the first king coordinates, as you can see, for the coordinates to be in the neighbor of the other coordinates, you can see absolute value of x1 minus x2 must be less than equal to must be less than equal to sorry must be less than equal to 1, and absolute value of y1 minus y2 must also be less than equal to 1. So this is the condition of being a neighbor. So in this case, the first king will win. So we have to print first here in this case, otherwise draw. Now let us come to the implementation of this question. You can see here the number of test cases. I have taken LL for the simplicity, which is defined as long, and for each test case x1, y1, x2, y2, if both the coordinates are same, the second king will win because the first king has no chance to capture the second king. The second king has already captured the first king. And if this condition holds true, absolute value x1 minus x2 greater than or y1 minus greater than 1, then the first king, if the first king wants to go closer to the second king will capture, so the first king will lose. So if the game is being played optimally and the game is started by the first king wants to win or draw, so the first king will never go close to the second king and the match results in draw. And if the second king coordinates exactly the neighbor of the first king coordinates in the one move starting from first king, the first king will capture the second king in exactly one move because the second king coordinates is the neighbor of the first king. So in this case, we have to print first. So the question is very simple, and if you need the code is in the description section of the video. And I will ask the viewers to like this video, comment below if you have any doubts in this question, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Code with Sunny. Thank you for watching this video.